Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to put your Google Drive into dark mode. Yes, now guys, if you head over to your Google Drive, right, let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just simply go to my drive, and in order to do that, guys, if you don't know, you need to first log into your Gmail account on Google here so that you're able to log into your Google Drive. Now once you're at google.com, right, or if you're using Chrome and you open it, you will see it look like this, and you just need to go to Google and just click on this apps icon in the upper right hand side, and then you'll find the drive. Now once you're inside Drive, guys, you may or may not see a box appear asking if you'd like to turn your Google Drive into dark mode. However, you're able to do that. There are times when it will appear and you can just simply click on it and just simply click on apply to put it into dark mode, or you can easily do that, and I'm going to show you how. So once you're inside your Google Drive, click the gear icon on the upper right hand side and go to settings, right? Now once you're here on the general, you will see appearance, and from here you have the dark mode, you have the device default. Now if you click on dark mode, it put it into dark mode. And if your computer is in, let's say, dark mode itself, if you click on device default, it will go into dark mode as well. And this device dark mode is coming from your computer, right? And I'm going to show you why. Because my computer as well is in dark mode. So I'm going to simply leave this into dark mode now. But I'm going to show you where this is coming from, why when I click device default, it actually goes to dark mode, right? So I'm going to show you. So let me just minimize here, and once you're on your computer, right click on the Windows icon here, go to settings, right? Now once you're in settings here, guys, simple click on personalize on the left hand side, and then you will basically have your themes, you'll have your colors. So simple click on colors, and on the upper right side you see choose your mode, and as you can see, mine is in dark mode. Now if I click light mode here, you will see my computer goes right back into light mode. Now if I go ahead and I open up back the settings here, guys, you will see that I had it in dark mode. But if I let me refresh and click on device default, you will see that it goes to light mode too, because I switched my computer into the device default. I'm gonna just simply put my computer here into dark mode, right? Close out of this, and if as you can see, it's in dark mode as well. If I refresh, is in dark mode. So that's how you basically change your Google Drive, guys, to put it into dark mode. Very easy and very simple, guys.